Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll be telling you about skin lightening products you probably need to measure before you use on your skin, because you do not want to over lighten your skin or burn your skin with certain lightening creams because they're harsh to skin. Especially when you have sensitive skin, you do not need no lightening cream on your skin because it is going to have a reaction that is not nice. Anyway, I ain't no dermatologist, but I am in the process of doing my skin lightening and it works for me. So and I make sure I take time and I measure my lightening cream. I don't just do it overboard and say, okay, one neprozone or five neprozone, and no. It don't work like that. It doesn't work like that, people. You need to stop use a lot of skin lightening gel in your cream. If you want your skin to look flawless and you want your skin to look natural and not like you're doing over bleaching, because there's thing, just like when you're cooking, you don't want to overcook the chicken. So it's the same process. You do not want to over lighten your skin. You want to take time. You want to measure half this, half that, a little bit, quarter that. Yeah, that is how it works. So let me tell you how to do it, because I know. Yes, of course I know. Anyway, all right, let's get right into the video. So, even though I'm in the video. Anyway, guys, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Say hi. If you have any questions, ask me. Anyway, let's get into the video. Alright, first, for the neprozone, you don't need to use more than 2 neprozone in half of your jar cream. That is how you mix it. Make sure you use half jar cream. If you buy a full one, you need to use half, especially if it's a big one. But if it's a really small jar cream, you do not have to separate it. Okay, the most I said is using 2 or 1. You don't need no more, no 3, no 4, no 5, no 6. That is not good for your skin. No, no. Listen, I've used half jar cream with 1 lightening gel and it works for me. When it's finished, I use the other half without any gel in it and it works for me. It lightens my skin. I was dark and it lightened my skin perfectly. So you do not need to go overboard. Honestly, you do not need to go overboard. If you want to go extreme is using 2 lightening gel. Cream is not bad. If you just want to tone your skin, you just use the jar cream alone. Honestly, you don't need no too much lightening gel. Lightening gel ain't good for the skin. Lightening gel ain't good for the skin. And some people can't manage lightening gel. Some lightening gels, they make you have pimples and all that, and you do not want that. You want something that is going to be soothing to your skin. Not saying that skin lightening is good for your skin. No, skin lightening isn't isn't good for the skin, but it is we that choose to use it because we want a fairer complexion and we feel confident, and it helps certain hyperpigmentation, and it helps people who have certain pimples and dark spots and on the eyes, dark circles and all that stuff that some products won't do. But in the long run, you don't know, it is going to be effective. I don't know, but it always have a side effect in every product. It doesn't matter what you use on your face. Just like food have a side effect certain ways. If you eat too much of this, you know that it will give you whatsoever. And just like skin lightening, if you use a product too much, it is just going to stop work, right? So guys, cool down on the skin lightening gels. Use one or two the max. You know me? One or two the max. Do not go overboard. Oh, even forgot to talk about Alloderm. Alloderm, even though I don't put Alloderm on this, but Alloderm is the next one. You don't go overboard. New light, people, you do not need two new lights in your cream. The only thing you need a new light in your cream is probably half in a cream or one max. Do not use two new light. New light is too strong, and next one is tambourine, man. You don't need two tambourine in your cream. One is enough. One is enough. If you want to go two, that is up to you. Papa is the next one. It smells good, really good. Papa, if you put Papa in your Papa gel in your cream, it make it smell good. Especially those creams that have a high scent and you can't take the smell, the scent. Yeah, it will work for you. Yeah, guys, that is it for me. And the Metasol gel, the reason why I don't really like the Metasol gel is because it's too grainy. Um, it's not my go-to gel. I've used it once, and I don't think I would use it again. But guys, yeah, that's it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment down below, ask question if you have any questions. I have more videos on my platform. You can go ahead and watch it, and I do videos daily, guys, so you can come back tomorrow. And for products that you need, they're in the description. You can go ahead and purchase it. Not said you can't use gel, but you use them and measure them. Understand? Yeah, watch the ads, guys. Because without you guys watching the ads, I won't be able to make no more videos. You understand? So enough for watch the ads, them man. Watch the ads. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Bye, guys.